Hey everyone, welcome back to FreshenOPT Air Filter channel. Today we're changing the cabin air filter on a 2025 Toyota RAV4. Before we get started, don't forget to grab a new cabin air filter and a pair of gloves to keep your hands clean from dust and dirt. Step 1. Open the glove box and locate the damper arm. Push it outward to release the damper arm. Then squeeze the sides of the glove box inward to drop it down. Now you can see the AC housing box. This is where the RAV4 cabin air filter is located. Open the AC housing box cover. You'll see two clips on the left and right sides. Gently pinch both sides with your fingers to release the cover. Make sure to check the airflow and UP markings. They are opposite directions, so the carbon side should face up. After opening the AC housing cover, you'll see the old cabin air filter inside. Simply pull it out. OMG. This old filter definitely needs to be replaced. It's torn, dirty, and completely clogged. Now take your new FreshenOPT cabin air filter and slide it in. Once the new filter is in place, reinstall the AC housing cover and close the glove box, and you're all done. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Want the same OEM quality filter? Get it now at FreshenOPT.ca. Members save 10% for life, plus free surprise kits. Link in description.